5 most dangerous land animals in Asia. These 4-legged tractors are highly aggressive and their only enemies on land are the tiger and lion. If you aren't wearing stripes, I suggest you try to avoid them at all costs. And even lions are regularly tossed in the air like a ragdoll by these trigger cows on steroids. At 2,000 pounds, 10 feet, and speeds up to 30 miles an hour, these beasts are fast and furious. In fact, I hear Fast and Furious Part 35 will feature water buffaloes. Yet we're back to snakes, and India has what they call the Big Four. The Russell's viper is the most dangerous and responsible for 43% of the snake bites in India. The common krait has a powerful neurotoxin that can paralyze you, and once it's taken effect, you can't reverse it. The cobra kills about 15,000 people each year. The venom of the soft-scaled viper is 5 times worse than the cobras, and it breaks down your blood vessels, which cause you to bleed from everywhere, including your brain.